Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok region without VPN, right? So let's open the TikTok mobile application here and we have to just go to our profile section, which is on bottom right side corner. Now click on the three lines which is on top right side corner. Go to the setting and privacy, and here we have to search for language, okay? So just scroll to a little bit down and here you will find the language option. So click on the language, and here if you want to change the app language, you can change here, but the main thing, the preferred language, okay? And here if you want to see the content of Espanol for the Spain country, you can do it from the France. So just check mark, right? If you want to see the Dutch here, and there is a lot of language and you can see the content of all this language, right? And after doing that, just hit the done button, and after that you can also change the app language according to you. So this is it guys, this is pretty easy, and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.